Our Father who's in heaven, holy is your name. Let your kingdom come. Let your will prevail on earth like in heaven. Forgive our sins and do not lead us into temptation, but free us from evil. And that reminds me of the first chapter in the Quran. In the name of God, most gracious, most merciful. Praise be to God, the Lord of the universe, most gracious, most merciful, Master of the day of judgment. You alone we worship. You alone we ask for help. Guide us on the right path, the path of those whom you've blessed, not of those who have deserved wrath, nor of the strayers. And this is the core of Islam. That's it. Worship God alone. And do not idolize anyone. Also not the Prophet Muhammad. Because the Quran says all messengers are equal. Make